Good evening and welcome to 200forexpips.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 2nd of March 2018. Okay guys, today I'm going to start the analysis from EURUSD. This is the report that I have sent to the subscribers in the morning, and I have supplied the bullish signal in case of EURUSD. The entry was 1222626, and guys, you can clearly see that right from the entry we have seen a very good strong bullish trend on EURUSD today, and we had very good valid confirmations about a bullish trend from yesterday and today. That's why I have turned from I was bullish yesterday, and today again I stand bullish in case of EURUSD, and those traders who have traded as per the signals report, they should be in very good profits. Okay, now let's talk about New Zealand USD here. So guys, this is the second signal of my signals report. I have supplied the bearish signal in case of New Zealand USD. 072676 was the entry, and guys, you can clearly see that the smaller U-turn was taken on New Zealand USD today, and it has also hit the targeted price 072246 that I have supplied in the morning. So overall, the first two signals stand valid, and I'm sure that most of the traders must have taken very good trades, and they must have taken a very good trades on these two pairs. Okay, a bearish expectation for the day on Great Britain Pound USD and 13777.85 was the entry, and you can see right from the entry we have seen the downward momentum, but somehow it was just for a scalping, because I have put the line here, and you can clearly see that basically a Great Britain Pound USD have kept itself in a range. It has gone nowhere. So you can see the candle is just leaning on a certain level, so it has gone nowhere. However, it is just it went below the entry that I have provided in my signals report. So if you have done scalping on Great Britain Pound USD, then you must have taken the profit. As you can see that I have also done the same thing. The scalping was on. Okay. Now the same thing happened with AUDUSD. A bearish signal was supplied from my side. 077570 was the entry, and guys, you can see this is a slight downward trend overall. Like Great Britain Pound USD, Australian dollar and USD kept itself in a range, and you can see that it's leaning on a certain level. However, if you have traded as per the entry that I have supplied with a bearish trend, so you can see that it went bearish from the signals entry. So scalping, this was I have given the long signal from my side, but however it depends on the market movers where they want to take the market, so they have not taken any decision today. So that's why you can see that the pair has went into the range, but however the signal was successful because it went below the entry. Okay, at last, at second last, the signal USD Canadian dollar, a bullish signal was supplied. I'm going to switch my chart to the USD Canadian dollar, and you can clearly see that it went clearly bullish right from the entry 1286361, and guys, you can see that right from the same level it has went up. And I was also talking about the strength of USD from some days, and 129043 was the targeted price, which is already hit, and you can see a very clear upward trend on USD Canadian dollar today. So guys, most of the signals have hit today, and I'm sure that you people must have taken the good profits. At last, I'm going to talk about the last signal that went successful as per the signals report is Pound JPY. 145763 was the entry, and right from the entry you can see that you must have seen a downward trend up to that area. And overall, if you have traded this gap, then overall this is very good gap to trade Pound JPY, because you know that this is the most volatile pair, and it gives a lot and also it takes a lot. So overall, if you have traded it in a bearish way, then I'm hopeful that you people must have taken a very good profits. Okay, moreover guys, those subscribers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain about the trading system. Sell in the top red boundary like this, sell in the top red boundary with confirmations, it's down, and when you see valid bullish confirmations from the lower oversold levels, which is the lower red boundary, then here you can buy the pair, but only with confirmations. Without confirmations, no trading system is going to help you. So guys, this is all about the today's analysis, and I'm hopeful that you people must have closed the week in profits. So guys, if you're looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to subscribe to if you want to get the trading system so that it can help you with your trading, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, then you need to email me on info@200forexpips.com. Please do like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Have a great weekend. Bye.